just you and me, under the guava tree. I met you down where the guava tree leaned, white dress moving like a river so clean. You never had gold, I never had fame, but my heart still trembled when you called my name. Your smile was quiet like the morning dew, and every little bird seemed to sing for you. You had one ribbon tied soft in your hair, and I forgot every burden I carry there. I had no carriage, no rich man's shoe, just a humble heart beating, honest and true. But when you looked at me with those gentle eyes, even poor man's dreams started touching the skies. Love under the guava tree, you and I where the world can't see. No silver ring, no palace key, just your sweet love under the guava tree. Love under the guava tree, simple as the river running to the sea. No big house, no luxury, still your heart is enough for me. Market bell ringing and the sun drop low, still I hold your hand where the cool wind blow. If the road get rough and the night turn blue, I will build my little kingdom around you. We watch the old women pack up their tray, children chasing laughter at the end of the day. You bought 2 mangoes and gave me one, then smiled like you had given me the sun. The chapel bell rang from the hillside stone, and for one sweet moment the world was our own. No preacher was there and no choir did sing, but love put a blessing on everything. Love under the guava tree, you and I where the world can't see. No silver ring, no palace key, just your sweet love under the guava tree. Love under the guava tree, simple as the river running to the sea. No big house, no luxury, still your heart is enough for me. When the dry season comes and the well run low, I will fetch your water where the long roads go. When the hard times knock on our little door, I will love you deeper than I did before. We can plant cassava by the old stone wall, raise little children where the breadfruit fall, teach them to pray when the night gets cold, and never trade love for silver or gold. When your hair turns gray like the morning mist, I will still remember our very first kiss. Same old tree, same evening sky, same sweet love till the day I die. No crown can buy this feeling, no rich man can steal this peace. When love is true and healing, even the poor man's heart increase. So let the town keep talking, let them laugh at you and me. We found something holy under the guava tree. Love under the guava tree, you and I where the world can't see. No silver ring, no palace key, just your sweet love under the guava tree. Love under the guava tree, faithful like the moonlight over the sea. No big name, no luxury, still your sweet love is home to me. Under the guava tree, my love, where the evening breeze remembers we. No gold, no fame, no vanity, just you and me. Under the guava tree, hold my hand when the road gets long. I'll give you my heart in a simple song. When the whole wide world forgets we, love still grows under the guava tree.
You know, so me have to talk the truth tonight. Yeah, man. Baby, 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 please. For your heart, for your love, me would I do anything. Anything as long as you're there with me. Cause me can't manage this lonely feeling. Me know something wrong, me can't deny. Me bring tears to your pretty eyes. Now every night me day I reminiscing, thinking about the love we gone missing. Please, look past me mistakes. Me finally wake up now and see the change. Now me know better, now me see clearer. No girl in the world can replace you. Me know saying hard to deal with my ways. Too much heartbreak, too much pain. Easier said than done fi forgive. But baby, without you me know I live. Me quick take it back to the start again. From the first hello to the first little date. First kiss under the moonlight sky. First time you tell me say you woulda never lied. How we used to love up all night long, hold each other tight while the music plays slow songs. Promise that forever we woulda never part. No, me standing here with a broken heart. Baby, me sorry, me I beg you fi make it right. Even if you done decide if you walk out of me life. You want me joy, you want me happiness too. Anytime stress come and you pull me through. Me know say we both did wrong sometimes, but true love deserve one more try. Baby, now left me lonely. Now make this story deck tonight. Give me one more chance to love you right. Remember when we used to talk about future plans? Little house on the beach and a wedding band. Talk about picnic running round the yard while we grow old together through the hard parts. But somewhere down the road things change. Too much cuss, too much pain. Love get cold and the vibes turn dark. No silence, alone a tear we apart. But not lie, you hurt me too. Some nights me cry and you never knew. But me still rather fix what we build from scratch than fi watch another man take me match. Everybody know we loved it deep. Now them see we drifting further every week. Pain teach lessons pride never could. Now me ready fi love you how me should. If loving you a war, me ready fi fight. Cause deep in my soul you still feel right. And even if your heart already gone, me still a pray say one day you come home. No, every scar mean the love can't heal. No, every goodbye mean the ending real. Before you walk away completely, hear the truth from me heart sincerely. Baby, me sorry, me I beg you down for me knees tonight. Me know say me mash up your trust too many times. Still you are the peace where calm the storms. The only place where me heart feel warm. And even if you don't feel the same, me heart still a call your name. From the first dance to the last embrace, no other girl could ever take your place. So if one little piece of love still there in your heart, please, no let forever fall apart. Extra prop on the beat, still waiting upon your call. Still open, feel love. Baby, come on. Alright, daughters of Zion, open your eyes. Time now, wait for no one. Life is a river, keep flowing. Daughters of Zion, hear the whisper in the wind. Life is a journey, not a place where we begin. From the cradle to the dust, every step we take is a borrowed breath of Jah, make no mistake. Mirror show the beauty, but time show the truth. Every line on your face is a memory of you. Yesterday gone like the smoke in the sky, and tomorrow not promised. So we ask why. Oh, daughters of Zion, remember who you are. Shining like the morning, like a rising star. Life is just a moment, don't let it pass you by. The grave keep calling, but today we alive. Celebrate the sunrise, every breath, every note. We know on tomorrow, only this moment somehow. Oh, daughters of Zion, hear the truth I say. soon appear. Morning star shining like a sign in the sky. Dawn break gently like a lullaby. But every sunrise is a quiet call. One day we go sleep and not wake at all. Oh, daughters of Zion, remember who you are. Shining like the morning, like a rising star. Life is just a moment, don't let it pass you by. The grave keep calling, but today we alive. Celebrate the sunrise, every breath, every note. We know on tomorrow, only this moment somehow. Oh, daughters of Zion, hear the truth I say. Every day we born, every day we fade away. Who are we? Just a spirit in the clay, passing through time, then we drift away. Roots in eternity, leaves in the breeze. Life is a journey carried by the sea. So look while you can, hold joy in your hand. Walk in the light and overstand. No chain can bind what the soul set free. Live in the now, that's the victory. Graveyard silent, but it speaks so loud. Every name a story, every stone a cloud. Kings and queens all lay the same. Dust to dust, no title remains. So why we worry about things so small, when time itself will swallow it all? Better to live with a heart so wide. Let love be the legacy you leave behind. Daughters of Zion, time is now. Morning come, night will fall. Live today, give your all. Yeah. Life is short, but spirit top. One love, carry I home before the final call. Through the waters of memory, ancient voices calling from beyond the hills and sea. from beyond the hills and sea. I hear voices in the flowing stream, echoes of a broken dream, calling softly through the tide, where forgotten spirits hide, guiding hands I cannot see, pulling roots inside of me. Every current knows my name, though the world don't stay the same. Moonlight dancing on the wave, whisper secrets ancestors gave, telling me don't lose the way, even in the darkest day. River running deep and slow, through the lands our elders know, carrying pain, carrying grace, memories time cannot erase. Every ripple tell a story, every scar reveal the glory of the ones who walked before, standing strong through rage and war. Though them chains once crossed the seas, spirits still remain free. Now the waters sing again, healing generations of pain. River of ancestors flow, where the sacred waters go, carry me back to the source, healing time and changing course. River of ancestors rise, reflecting truth in ancient skies. Wash away the fear and shame, teach the children from where they came. Carry I home again. River never stop flowing, spirit never stop growing. Ancestors beside us till the morning light. Yeah, Kingston town. Prince Gypsy sing from the heart again. For every lover try and survive the pressure of life, even in the struggle, love still find a way. Listen, loving at Kingston town tonight, moonlight shining soft and bright. Through the struggle, we still hold tight. Your sweet love make everything right. Even when the world feels cold and gray, your loving never fade away. In the dark, your heart stay true. Kingston town, bring me back to you. Down Orange Street we used to stroll, music from the jukebox touch my soul. Taxi lights flashing through the rain, still me heart calling your name. Corner shop radio playing slow, old roots classics from long ago. Every corner have a story to tell, of love and life in the ghetto dwell. Street vendors calling through the night, while lovers hold each other tight. Puddles shining like silver gold, young love stories still unfold. Your laughter sweeter than morning breeze, bring me restless spirit peace. me back to you. Even when the bills pile high, still we dream beneath the sky. Simple dinner by candle flame every night, feel just the same. Power cut off but love still shine. Two hearts beating, same design. No luxury but peace inside. With you me always feel alive. People fighting just to survive, but your love keep hope alive. Through the pressure and the strain, you ease me suffering and pain. Prince Emmanuel sings so true. Kingston nights remind me of you. Every sound from the street outside becomes part of the love we ride. Hold me closer through the storm. Your loving keep me warm. Jah bless the bond we form. Even when the night run long, your love still make me strong. Nothing in this world can break the vow we both did take. Rain keep falling but we stay, finding love along the way. Heart to heart we rise above, guided by eternal love. Loving a Kingston town, sweetest love ever found. Moonlight fading soft and slow, but still your love continue grow. Kingston town, place where true love is found. Kingston town, yeah. Kingston town. Kingston town.
Oh now, natural food and roots tradition. The ital messengers chant wisdom tonight. Ital vibration flowing through the nation. Roots and culture bring healing sensation. Herbs in the garden, fire meditation. Rasta people rising through creation. Whoa, hey, whoa now. Steam from the pot and the coconut rice. Living clean and humble feel twice as nice. Babylon system selling pies in fast, but roots man wisdom still built to last. Grandmother cooking by the riverside, call a loose simmer with the moonlight tide. Children dancing while the elders pray. Ancient African spirit never fade away. Ital vibration moving through the soul. Natural living make the people whole. Music and wisdom carrying control. Jah love deeper than silver and gold. Oh now, oh now, oh. Too much chemicals in the city food, turning good people into angry mood. But the farmers still protect the earth, teaching every child their true worth. Roots tonic bubbling in a clay cup. Even when the pressure rise, we never give up. Traditional fire still blazing bright, guiding the youth through the darkest night. No fast food can replace tradition. Natural living is the real revolution. From the mountains down to the shore, roots and culture forever endure. Ital vibration forever strong, passing through generations long. Jah guide the people through every storm. Roots reggae keeping hearts warm. Prince Emmanuel chanting for the ones them still holding on. For every soul under pressure, for every dream under strain. Just say better days never far. Listen, better must come again someday. Though the dark clouds block the way, keep your faith and hold on strong. Your blessings won't take long. Even when the road feel rough and cold, still hold tight and be bold. Storm can't last forever long, so keep your spirit strong. Long nights sleeping on the floor, still hoping life offer more. Mama working overtime, still struggling every time. Bill stacking night on the table, still she working when she able. Sacrificing her eyes, hiding pain but never lies. But the youth them still dream big, trying hard to make life live. Through the struggle and the pain, them still dancing in the rain. Roots reggae become the guide, keeping hope alive inside. Every bassline carry light, guiding them through darkest night. Yeah. Even when the world turns slow, still them let their spirit grow. Music healing broken soul, making fractured heart feel whole. Better must come again someday, though the dark clouds block the way. Keep your faith and hold on strong. Your blessings won't take long. Even when the road feel rough and cold, still hold tight and be bold. Storm can't last forever long, so keep your spirit strong. Yeah. Every setback teach a lesson. Pain can bring spiritual blessing. Through the fire and the rain, wisdom born from every strain. Hey, though the road rough like stone, Jah never leave we alone. Even when the night feel deep, angels watch while we sleep. Hey, hey, from the ghettos to countryside, hope and love still survive. Every heart still beating true, Jah guiding all we do. Prince Emmanuel sing once more, open up a brighter door. Voice for the people rise again, turning sorrow into gain. No matter how the system try, truth will never pass we by. Light a go break through the grave and guide the righteous way. Hey, dry your tears, my friend, hard times soon end. Light around the bend, hold on tight through the night. Morning soon bring back the light. Every star must fade away and bring a brighter day. Jah promise never lie, hope still living in the sky. Even when you feel alone, love will guide you home. Better must come again.
Sunshine after rain,
Sunshine after rain,
rise again.
through every pain,
Life will bloom again.
again and again, again and again. Better must come again. Oh, Jah guide my Jah guide my soul through stormy weather. Keep me strong when life
fight, but I choose peace. Let the wickedness slowly cease. Spirit steady like river flow. Jah alone make my strength grow. When night falls and vision fade, Jah lead me through the shade. No weapon formed shall break my will. Love and truth remain his skill. Jah guide my soul. Jah guide my soul. Oh, I, oh, I. Oh, I, oh, I. No more war tonight, let the children sleep. Too many mothers left alone to eat. Put down the weapons and all unity tight. Humanity searching for peace tonight. No more bombs in the dark whole sky. Too many innocent people die. One love message shining bright. Let there be peace tonight. Bombs falling while the leaders dine. Profit made from frontline crime. Soldiers marching with fearful eyes. Not the innocent soul dies. Smoke and fire cover the street. Families running with weary feet. Children crying in a refugee line. Tell me, oh, this suffering fine. Rich men talking from secure place, while poor man face the deadly chase. Still the world keep repeating pain again and again and again. No more war tonight across the earth. Every human life have worth. Raise the flag of unity. Love alone can satisfy. No more hatred, no more greed. Too much bloodshed from human need. Let the healing finally start. Peace and love inside the heart. Across the oceans pain remain. Every nation feel the strain. Still the people cry for peace, praying someday wars will cease. Young men drafted for political games. History repeating different names. Mothers praying through sleepless night, hoping sons return alive and right. Church bells ringing, mourn for song. Another coffin in the ground. Yet humanity still refuse learn. How much more must the world burn? Love stronger than the hate them spread. Peaceful future lies ahead. If the people unite as one, another brighter day must come. No politician can divide the soul when love and truth take control. No more war tonight. Hey, 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 hey. War tonight. Hear the cry. Hey, hey. War tonight. Let the white dove fill the sky. War tonight. Ooh. Peace and justice hand in hand, healing every troubled land.
Cedric Rootsman, chant truth tonight. For every voice unheard, for every sufferer in the struggle, Jah justice rising slow but sure. Whoa, na 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 na. Chant down corruption tonight. Expose the wickedness hiding from sight. Poor people tired, we suffer and crawl. Jah justice a go rise over all. Chant down corruption, break every chain. Too Crime and hunger knocking on the door. Hospitals crowded and the people stressed. Still politicians live in bliss. Them sit down in a big office chair, making promises but them never care. Election time them come with smile then disappear. After a while, single mother working overtime shift still can't afford basic things to live. Food prices rising every single day, while salaries barely get paid. Youth man graduate but no job in sight, so frustration turn into street fight. System set up to divide and rule, leaving poor people feeling like fool. Media talking but truth get blurred. Real suffering never fully heard, but the streets them know what's real and right, and truth still burning through the night. How long we must suffer in a silence, while corruption deep like violence? But I hear the cry of the weak, and justice soon a go speak. Chant down corruption tonight, expose the wickedness hiding from sight. Poor people tired, fi suffer and crawl. Jah justice a go rise over all. Chant down corruption, break every chain. Too much suffering, too much pain. Truth a go shine like morning light, and Babylon system must lose the fight. Old man sitting on the roadside chair, watching country crumble without care. He remember days when hope was strong. Now everything feel like it gone wrong. Police and power working hand in hand, while innocent people can't understand. Justice system moving slow and blind, leaving broken hearts far behind. But you them rising with voice and soul, spreading truth that can't be borne. Music become the weapon of change, rearranging the system range. Rasta man chanting on the corner street, teaching love and truth to every youth he meet. Singing one love, but still aware that Babylon system full of snare. Even when pressure try press we down, hope still rising all around. Cause history show and prophecy say truth will win at the end of the day. No more silence, no more fear. Justice time is drawing near. Every lie must disappear when Jah truth become crystal clear. Rise up people, speak out strong. Right and wrong can't stay too long. Every system built on greed shall fall beneath the righteous seed. Stand down corruption tonight, expose the wickedness hiding from sight. Poor people tired, they suffer and crawl. Jah justice a go rise over all. Chant down corruption, break every chain. Too much suffering, too much pain. Truth a go shine like morning light, and Babylon system must lose the fight. Cedric Roots man, chanting for the people. Justice is not a dream, it's a promise. Jah will rise over all systems. One love, one truth, forever. Africa calling. Can you hear the voices from Zion? Cedric Roots man chant for the lost souls, from Kingston streets to Addis Ababa mountains. Jah calling his children know. Eternal Africa calling me home. Tired of living in Babylon cold stone. Just say remember where you come from. Africa waiting for every last son. Eternal Africa deep in my soul, searching for peace while this wicked world cold. From the pain and confusion we carry along, Mama Africa singing redemption song. Man lose himself chasing vanity, now him searching for peace and and sanity. Broken relationship, mash up him heart. Now him begging Jah for a brand new start. Used to run after money and temporary fame. Now every night he feels empty just the same. Fancy clothes and parties could never heal the pain. So him turned to Jah while standing in the rain. Woman working hard but still feeling trapped, giving all her love and receiving nothing back. Single mother crying after the children sleep, asking Jah for strength because the burden deep. Young youth searching for identity, lost between social media and reality, trying to fit in while forgetting his roots, till Rasta man wisdom reveal the truth. Marcus Garvey words start echoing his brain. Know your culture and break the mental chains. Now we more is higher than before, realizing Africa lives forever in his core. No matter where Babylon scatter, we are part. Africa still living deep within the heart. From the drum beat to the ancient song, Jah children searching where them belong. Eternal Africa calling me home. Tired of living in Babylon cold stone. Just say remember where you come from. Africa waiting for every last son. Eternal Africa deep in my soul, searching for peace while this wicked world cold. From the pain and confusion we carry along, Mama Africa singing redemption song. Yeah. Old father sitting by the seaside shore, thinking about the homeland he never saw before. Yet somehow deep inside him spirit know Africa calling through the wind that blow. Youth man losing work and depression step near. Babylon system filling hearts with fear, but now your bingy drum still beat through the night, reminding every sufferer to continue the fight. Sister battling sickness but she still stands tall, even when the doctor say the chance is small. Faith in Jah stronger than the pain she feels, knowing spiritual wounds Jah alone can heal. Broken marriage leaves scars upon the soul, too much pride and anger taking control. Still somewhere beneath the hurt and pain, love and forgiveness can bloom again. Children growing up without guidance today, pulled by violence and easy money ways, but the elders still teaching righteousness and truth, trying to preserve the culture for the youth. Africa, not just a physical land, it's spiritual strength and divine command. A place of identity, wisdom and grace, where lost souls finally find their place. Hear the lion roar across the plains tonight. Hear the ancient drums under moonlight. No more mental slavery, no more identity crisis. Jah children rising, Africa forever. Eternal Africa calling me home. Tired of living in Babylon cold stone. Just say remember where you come from. Africa waiting for every last son. Eternal Africa deep in my soul, searching for peace while this wicked world cold. From the pain and confusion we carry along, Mama Africa singing redemption song. Cedric Roots man chanting, one Africa, one people, one destiny. From Kingston to Ethiopia, repatriation of the mind and soul. Jah guide forevermore. Oh, na 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 na. Oh, yesterday I call like drum in the rain. Old memories knock with pleasure and pain. Childhood laugh under mango tree. Know the world move fast like restless sea. Back in the days when the yard full of sound, barefoot picnic them a run all around. Mama voice echo from the doorway clear. No time gone far, but the memory's still near. Longing for yesterday, but yesterday gone away, Lord. see. Now live in a shadow of what used to be. Longing for yesterday, but time not turn back no day. Jah guide me steps and set me spirit free. Fi face tomorrow with humility. Lot wife look back and she stand still. Some memories can freeze up a man's will. Old pain can chain your foot to the ground, while tomorrow I call with a heavenly sound. But Paul said press forward, no turn around. The seed of tomorrow they under today's ground. What gone is gone, but grace still remain. Jah can bring sunshine after the rain. Yesterday sweet, but yesterday gone. Still we have to rise with the morning sun. Now let all sorrow rule your way. Jah mercy new every day. Longing for yesterday, but yesterday gone away. Lord, teach me if you walk in the light me see. Now live in a shadow of what used to be. Longing for yesterday, but me spirit have to move on. With faith in me heart and Jah light for me way. Me step from the past into brighter day.
They try to dim my inner flame, still I answer to my name. Every scar become a sign that survival is divine. Oh, chains can rattle but never bind. Freedom lives inside my mind. Voices whisper, give it in. Still I rise through thick and thin. Pressure heavy like the sea. Still it cannot drown the free. Even when the night is long, I become my own strong song. Lion hearts awakening, roar through the suffering. Stand up tall and never run. Spirit strong like rising sun. Lion hearts awakening, breaking every chain within. From the darkness I become warrior of the rising sun. I walk through silence, walk through fire. Every step became desire. Not to break but to remain human through the deepest pain. World may shake and systems fall, still I answer freedom's call. No surrender in my breath, even standing close to death. Oh, rise, rise and rise. Never done. Lion heart, become the sun.
Yeah. Cedric Rootsman sing for the sufferers tonight, for every struggling father, every single mother, every hungry child. Just see that poor man cry tonight. Still Jah guide him through the fight. Pocket empty but faith still strong. One day suffering if you done. Poor man cry tonight, trying to survive through the darkest night. Even when the system do him wrong, Jah remind him to hold on strong. Hey, yeah, yeah. Lost him job and him can't buy food. Stress and pressure affecting him mood. Children hungry and the landlord a call. Still him refuse to let himself fall. Every morning him wake before sunrise, trying to stay hopeful while tears fill him eyes. Bills pile up like mountain stone, yet him still fighting this world alone. Single mother working double shift, feet hurting but she never quit. School fee due and the cupboard low, still she smiles so her children never know. Politicians speaking on television screen, promising better life that nobody ever seen. Meanwhile poor people struggling every day, trying hard not to lose them way. Youth man graduate but no work inside. Depression and frustration keeping him awake at night. Friends turn enemies when the money disappear. Now him battling loneliness and fear. Too much people suffering silently today, smiling in public while pain eats away. But Jah never sleep, nor turn him face. Mercy and strength still full of grace. Poor man cry tonight, still Jah guide him through the fight. Pockets empty but faith still strong. One day suffering have it done. Poor man cry tonight, trying to survive through the darkest night. Even when the system do him wrong, Jah remind him to hold on strong. Old father sick and can't buy medication. Healthcare expensive across the nation. Hospital crowded and the waiting line long. Still him whisper old redemption songs. Broken marriage from financial strain. Too much stress bringing emotional pain. Love get cold when survival get hard. No two broken hearts carry emotional scars. Widow sitting quietly by the window side, missing the husband who once stood with pride. Now she battling life by herself each day, praying just on my make her way. Young girl lose confidence and self-esteem. Social media destroy her dreams, comparing herself till she breaks inside, while secretly crying when nobody can find. Still the Rasta man planting food on the hill, teaching the youth to survive with skill. Herbs and wisdom healing the land, trying to rebuild with honest hands. One day justice I go reach the poor, and suffer
one love forever.
From the hills where the ancestors whisper, to the streets where the youth still wander, hear this. Long before the city lights glow bright, we were walking barefoot in the morning light. Grandfather's voice in the breeze still say, hold firm, child, don't lose your way. From the soil where the sugar once bled, now we plant new dreams where the old tears shed. Every root got a story to tell, from the burning sun to the freedom bell. Oh, the river still run, though the banks feel dry, and the truth still stand, though they tell you lie. You can hear it if you just stay still, in the heartbeat drum and the Zion will. Roots still calling, can you hear them cry? Through the wind and the rain, through the days gone by. Stand up strong, don't you pass it by. It's your name in the earth, it's your birthright. Roots still calling from the hill so high, through the drum and the chant, through the lullaby. Hold the faith, keep the fire inside, let it burn, let it guide your life. Youth man run, but him can't outrun truth. Fast lane life, take the strength of youth. Gold chain shine, but the soul feel cold. What good is silver if you lose your soul? Mama cry when the night get long, another son lost in a system wrong. But the elders' word still echo clear, self-reliance conquer fear. Plant your food, speak your truth, know your roots, 'cause that's the proof. From the drumbeat rise a healing sound, every broken spirit can be found in the chant where the voices blend. We begin where we once did end. Land is sacred, don't sell your ground. That's the crown where your strength is found. What we build with our own two hands, no storm nor time could ever disband. Roots still calling, can you hear them cry? Through the wind and the rain, through the days gone by. Stand up strong, don't you pass it by. It's your name in the earth, it's your birthright. Roots still calling from the hills so high, through the drum and the chant, through the lullaby. Hold the faith, keep the fire inside, let it burn, let it guide your life. Give thanks to the elders who walked before, guide the youth through every open door. In the soil, in the spirit, in all we do, the roots still live in you. Hear this from yard to chapel, from chapel to street. Same fire, same spirit. Awake in the land,
Awake in the land,
awake in the land.
from the dust we stand.
From the dust we stand. Midnight, midnight bell ring, but no one sleep. Voices rise from the valley deep. Old time prayer in a new time cry.
prophets try, to the corners where we call on God. Every burden, every broken scar, turn to strength in who we are. And the pressure come from every side, still the faithful now go run and hide. Through the storm we testify, fire in we bones we now let it die. The spirit of our land keeps rising, higher than the fear and the fighting. Through the tears and the sacrificing, still we stand,
Still we rising,
Lord, the spirit of our land
keeps rising,
through the dark, see the light igniting. From the roots to the hills united, hearts on fire.
we keep rising.
Babylon whisper, twist the word, but the truth still loaded, must be heard. You them lost in a world so cold, trading their birthright cheap for gold. But deal the chance, still echo strong. Hold the faith, don't drift too long. Plant your feet where your roots run deep. So what you reap, and reap what you keep. Ready? We ready now.
Steady, steady,
We hold the ground.
plant a seed,
Watch it grow,
watch it grow,
grow from the fire.
let it show.
No chain can bind what Jah set free. No wall too high for faith to see. Through every trial, through every test, we carry the power within our chest. Not by might and not by gold, but by the Spirit, the truth unfold. So we rise like dawn again, healing hearts of broken men. The spirit of our land
Keeps rising,
hear the drums and the soul.
united,
Through the ages,
still we fighting,
with love and truth,
we keep rising.